is an alloy of mixing these components with iron, stainless steel is preferred, chromium or nickel. Stainless steel is an alloy of copper, chromium and nickel. Metal does not corrode. Gold and platinum do not corrode. Carbon and its various forms. Gas which comes out on opening a soda water bottle, CO2. Which of the following statement about graphite and diamond is true? We undergo similar chemical reaction. Dry is solid CO2. Which of the following does not consist of carbon? P-2 has hardest in the following: diamond. What is the gas emitted from vehicle? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxide of nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbon. To make the steel hard, require increase the quantity of carbon. Catalyst used in hydrogenation of vegetable oil into vanaspati ghee is Ni, nickel. Gas used in manufacture of vanaspati ghee from vanaspati oil is hydrogen. Diamond is an allotrope of carbon. Which of the following diamond and graphite is true? Both has allotrope of carbon. Neither they have their crystal structure, neither their hardness is same. Diamond carbon atom for 3-dimensional tetrahedral or hexahedral. Purest form of amorphous carbon is lamp black. In the context of lab-grown diamonds, what is used as a diamond seed? Graphite. Prudence and buckyball is made up of 60 carbon. Hydrogen and its various forms. The speed of an electron in the orbit of the hydrogen atom in the ground state is c/137. Burning of hydrogen produces water. An element X has 4 electrons in the outermost orbit. What will be the formula of its compound with hydrogen? XH4. Which compound is used as a contraceptive pills? Levonorgestrel. Heavy water is rat water, in which isotope takes the place of hydrogen. Water gas CO plus H2. Sulfur and nitrogen, halogen. Bromine is red liquid. Human skin burns during skimming in lake or pond because of chlorine. Hydrofluoric acid is not kept in glass bottle because it reacts with silicon dioxide of glass. What is the shape of sulfur hexafluoride molecule? Octahedral. Use laughing gas, nitrous oxide. Acid base 0.1, pH of 0.1 is approximately 1. pH 7, neutral और pure water दोनों. pH value more than 7, basic solution. pH of water 7. pH of solution changes from 3 to 6 H plus ion 1000 times, decrease by 1000 times. Characteristic of property of an acid: turn blue litmus paper red. Lightweight, bulletproof helmet and jacket. Use which of the following fiber? Kevlar. Usual property of oxide of group 3 and 4, basic and acidic. What substance form an acid when heated with another substance? Ammonium chloride. Amphoteric oxide Al2O3 or ZNO. Acid react with metal carbonate to liberate CO2 gas. You have been provided 3 test tubes. One of the contain distilled water, other 2 contain acidic or basic respectively. Which of them turn red litmus to blue? Base. Why does dry HCl does not change the color of dry litmus paper? No H3O plus ion present. It must change color only in the presence of H3O plus ion. Table saltiness is strong acid, strong base. Organic chemistry hydrocarbon in which two carbon atoms are joined by a double bond alkene. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated ethene. All organic compound fundamental element carbon. HMX high melting explosive. How is hydrogen stored physically? By compressing hydrogen gas. Oxygen is absent in kerosene. Which of the following gases is used in a secret lighter? Butane. Number of sigma and pi bond in benzene, 12. Alcohol can be converted by carboxylic acid by oxidation only. Fermentation of sugar leads to ethyl alcohol. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene. Teflon is a polymer of tetrafluoroethylene. Bakelite is formed by the condensation of phenol and formaldehyde. Aspartame artificial sweetener, furan refrigerant, neoprene synthetic rubber, benadryl antihistamine. What is the fiber used to make bulletproof jacket? Kevlar. Example of melamine used for making floor tiles. Thermosetting plastic. Organic acid used to artificial ripen fruit. Ethylene. Lemon is citrus due to citric acid. HOOCOOH. Oxalic acid. Odor of acetic acid resemble that of vinegar. Chemical name of vinegar. Acetic acid. Vinegar is the solution of which of the following? Acetic acid. Sour taste of vinegar is due to acetic acid. Explosive substance. Fissionable material used in bomb dropped at Nagasaki. Plutonium. Which among the following would cause the bright red color due to bursting of cracker? Strontium. Explosive nitroglycerin is a ester. Fuel. The device which converts chemical energy of fuel directly into electrical energy is fuel cell. Which of the following is major constituent of liquefied petroleum gas? Butane, propane, ethane also. LPG used as domestic fuel mainly contain hydrocarbon, propane, butane, ethyl mercaptan ऑर्डर के लिए. Incomplete burning of petrol and diesel produce carbon monoxide. Which compound is used for increase of octane rating? Tetraethyl lead. Quality of petrol is expressed by octane number. Octane number of 0. Isooctane. Major component of CNG, CH4, methane. Which type of oil is typically used in automatic car? Petrol. Acrylic is called artificial silk. It is prepared from cotton but shine like. Acrylic is artificial wool. Rayon is generally called artificial silk. Food preservation and nutrition. Iodized salt, potassium iodide. Triglyceride fat. Artificial sweetener containing chlorine that has appearance and taste as that of sugar remains stable at cooking temperature is sucralose. Which of the following substances used preservation of food stuff? Sodium benzoate. The gas mainly used in cooking is methane. After breakdown of carbohydrate, what is the final product? Glucose. Final product of fermentation, ethyl alcohol. Glucose is converted to ethyl alcohol by the enzyme as formula of glucose C6H12O6. Sweetest sugar among the following: fructose. sweetest among sugar is fructose. Skin cancer, ultraviolet, noise pollution, decibel, global warming, carbon dioxide, ozone hole, chlorofluorocarbon. Example of antibiotic medicine, penicillin. Basis of most useful classification of medication is in medical chemistry is molecular target. 100% pure ethanol is called absolute alcohol. Term green chemistry refers to process synthesizing chemical compound by minimizing the use of hazardous detergent and soap. Detergent used for cleaning clothes are sulfonate. Soap removes grease by emulsification. Detergent. What is detergent? Refining agent used in manufacture of soap is vegetable oil. Permanent hardness of water is due to chloride and sulfate of calcium, magnesium. The fertilizers. Element present in urea, CHNO. Component of fertilizer is used to encourage rapid development. Phosphorus. Miscellaneous. Night glowing pigment from below. Europium doped strontium aluminate. Material used for smart film. Iridium tin oxide. Not radioactive element. Cadmium. Which of the following is best fire extinguisher? Carbon dioxide. Breath test conducted by police to check drunken driver. Potassium dichromate sulfuric acid. Alphabet X in X-ray stand for unknown day.